Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
And today we are kind of excited. It's Beautylish Day. We each got the Beautylish extra large bags, but we've been watching other people's bags and there's been a lot of the same things.
Yeah. So just maybe two variations and none of them are exciting.
No. So traditionally and historically, and up until this year apparently, the Beautylish, the Lucky Bag is they pack them randomly. Every now and then somebody's going to get a super high value box, but everybody should get at least $300 value in their box. There's all the years that prior to this one, there's maybe been some similarities, but there's been enough variety in every box that we just would not know what to expect. But this year it seems like everybody's getting one of two sets of things. And none of them are very exciting. And so you're still getting good value for $150. We'll tell you at the end of the video whose box is worth what. And if either of us got lucky, you never know. But it takes kind of the fun out of it if it's not the thrill of anticipation of we're going to get something super fun in this maybe, versus everybody got one of two sets of things. So that, I think, is why this year, at least as this is the 20th, as of the 16th, they were still for sale. And these go on sale on the 31st or the 1st?
The day after Christmas.
Sorry, the day after Christmas.
You never remember.
I never remember. The day after Christmas, they go on sale. So since the day after Christmas until last week, you can still buy these. Sorry, the dogs are a little barky.
Until this week.
Up until this week, yeah. So usually they either sell out same day or within 2 or 3 days. And last year wasn't quite as exciting as previous years, and this year is flat out boring. I don't know if this is going to continue to carry the weight it used to for desirability.
Yeah.
Who were the other ones that just started doing Lucky Bags? Tatcha and...
Tatcha did one last year and I did one this year.
Who was the other one?
I don't remember.
There was another manufacturer that did their own Lucky Bag. So maybe next year we don't get the Beautylish Lucky Bag, we get the Tatcha Lucky Bag or something different. If they don't do something fun. So fingers crossed. We don't know. We haven't opened these yet.
You never know.
We could be all Debbie Downer and find out later. It's amazing. So we're going to open them up.
Started.
Let's see.
So we do know the beautiful print, of course, that we've seen that everybody gets. Isn't it cute?
Yes, it is very pretty. And it says mine was packed in California by Manuel, and Krista's was packed by Lydia. So they were packed by different people. And they are wrapped super cute, and you have a little Beautylish sticker sealing it, a Beautylish seal sticker.
Yeah, I want to get the paper out so I don't tear it.
Yeah, I don't want to tear the paper either. You can actually take it apart without tearing the sticker even.
And a cute little tag.
And I did actually weigh these beforehand. Last year's paper was like the poster and told the story. This year it's just kind of like craft paper.
It's cute though.
It's very cute. It's got wishbones and coins and makeup and fingers crossed and ace cards and all kinds of stuff. So
never know.
Those are fun. So I weighed these beforehand. Mine weighs like 2 ounces more than Krista's. So hopefully we got something new. So we're gonna we're gonna see. I'm going to try not to look too hard at it. This year, at least, it's sealed in the bubble wrap. Last year, it was just kind of bubble wrap wrapped around it, and it all came apart. So it is technically a bag of bubble wrap.
Let's open it.
Okay, so I'm going to try not to look super hard and just pull out. I'm going to go first.
Okay, you go first.
Okay, so...
I'm feeling ours are exactly the same.
Yeah, this is the Oribe Hair Alchemy Heatless Styling Balm, which was in one of the 2 sets that we've been seeing.
Which is one of the main products, only products I was excited about.
The styling balm or the other Oribe?
The hair styling.
Oh, I can see this exact same box in hers.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and pull it out.
Go ahead and pull it out.
Because I think it's the exact same product. So.
Did we end up getting anything that was different? That's going to be the question.
I don't think it's going to happen this year.
But so this is what it looks like. It's super cute.
At
the end of the video, we will pause and get calculations to see what our boxes are worth. And make sure we did get our $300 value. So that's product number 1. You want to pull out what our next product is?
So this is from You Beauty.
What was that one?
And this is the
lip compound.
Lip compound. And it's sealed, so I'm not going to open it. But it's a lip treatment. And when people pulled it out, the tube is really small in the box.
It doesn't weigh much.
So for the box, it's really small item.
Coincidentally, same one. So
Yeah.
far we're 2 for 2.
Yep. Let's see. Let's see if your little thing is my same little thing.
We got the blush.
I wonder if it's the same color.
Maybe we got different shades. That would be nice.
Let's see.
This is from.
Oh, does it say back here what the shade is?
This is from Suro. Can't actually read that. It's dark glitters on dark.
Here, what is the back? Down here and see if the back tells you the color.
And mine says it's in shade Cherub, and yours is in shade Cherub.
So we got the exact same color.
So let's see what shade it is.
By different people.
I think they all had the same boxes to pull from. Typically, what they would do before is they would have just buckets of things, and everybody would go through and pick a certain number of value for each box. And this is not an ugly shade, but I mean, Maybelline makes that exact same shade. So there's nothing special about this, and I really hate the packaging.
Plastic.
It slides back and forth. It doesn't even lock. So that's going to fully come off and break.
Yeah. So you pick the next same item.
The next same. Okay, hold on. Let's go with this green box.
Woohoo!
Holy Frog.
Frog.
And this is Galilee Hyaluronic Acid and Antioxidant Hydrating Serum.
And this is a good product.
So I don't know if it's Holy Frog or Holly Frog. But either way, I do like this brand. I have some other things from them. And it is cute. It's got a push-down pop-up top.
Yeah, it is cute. It's a good brand.
Yeah. I mean, none of these are bad products. It's just there's no variety.
Yeah, and
There's
takes
no
away
excitement.
the fun.
And we got 2 in this thing. We were like, oh, let's get 2. We'll get different things. So $150 each to get identical products.
Yeah. Everybody got this color
Did
nail polish.
Did I get a nail polish? Oh, yeah.
And it's a nice
It's
neutral.
pretty.
And it looks like it'll be nice to use.
And they're pretty. They're kind of a pearly peach.
Yeah.
And it's from Manicurist Nail Care Effects. So as an expensive nail polish, I would bet you this is $10 or $15 or more.
It
How
was
much is
like $10.
$10?
Somebody posted.
Somebody posted a picture. So not a high value product, but we did each get one. Again, about the same. What are you going to get? Oh, yeah.
Both got the same exact eyeshadow palette from
Natasha Denona.
Which I do like her. I'm wearing her lipstick right now. And I like her lipstick. I like her eyeshadows. It's a nice neutral palette. And it's like a travel size.
I think
palette.
it says My Time Dream Palette, but I don't know. I can't read what that says. Be Mine Dream Palette, maybe. Yeah. And so this is the mini palette. And so I don't remember how much she sells for, but I think like 20-ish. Yeah. But we'll find out. What else we got?
Let's see.
Did you get a big box? Okay. So every year you know you're going to get a Good Molecules something. Last year it was just like pimple patches.
Yeah. At least this year it's like this is energizing.
They're giving you a kit.
The other one was a moisturizing set, which I would have preferred over the eye kit, to be honest with you.
This is a 2-piece kit to reduce signs of puffiness and plump the appearance of fine line.
I think it's like a $15.
Yeah, they're not expensive.
Palette.
But it's good stuff. It's just you're always going to get the obligatory Good Molecules.
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Let's see.
I guess there's only one thing left. No, I got 2 things left.
I got 1 thing left.
Look at the very bottom of your bag.
Oh.
We even got the same stupid brush.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
Word.
They could not give it. This is a Sonia G brush. We both got a Sonia G fan brush. And these are expensive brushes. It's probably a $20 or $30 brush.
Some other people got some way better brushes than this.
So I'm really disappointed that we got literally exactly the same.
Which means this next item.
This next item is the same. And this is from Danessa Meyerix, Groundwork Defining Neutrals. And Danessa Meyerix, great. No shade on any of these brands.
No, it's just like there was.
I mean, you could have waited until everybody got their boxes, looked and see what they got, and then decided if you wanted yours or not, because they didn't sell out so fast.
Yeah.
And then next year maybe we do that.
Next year I'm not buying it without seeing it if it doesn't sell, because this is
a really nice palette.
The palette's gorgeous.
It's got the little seal over the front, and it looks like this.
Yeah, there's nice palette, but
it's very well made. I'm not going to swatch anything because I'm not going to use this. I have too many neutral palettes already. But probably not going to use 2 things.
The only exciting product is the Oribe product and maybe the Holy Frog product. Maybe. But other than that, everything else is just like...
We did not get lucky. I'm very sad.
Yeah, like we didn't even get, like, really 2 different people. They just...
$150 plus shipping. I think it was $180 something
with shipping
per box. So give us a second. We'll come back to you and tell you the value. We only have to check one box. Hang on. All right, we did the math. Our boxes are worth $371 each, which is actually not bad. They're only guaranteeing $300, so we got $371 each. I was surprised that this little lip product is $68. It better like make my lips look amazing. And the Sonia G brush was like $32. This was actually $19 for the nail polish, so I think this was what, $24 for the Good Molecules. So we definitely got our money's worth, but the excitement value was.
Yeah, there was no excitement value.
Next year, I don't know if this is going to be on our list.
I don't.
We were
so.
looking forward to this all year.
Exactly, we had it.
I got a really good box last year.
Yes,
this box was not bad. Okay, I will correct. It's not bad.
Some of the stuff. I mean, I like the Oribe product. It's my favorite product in the whole box.
Yes.
I saw way better brushes that people got, like really nice brushes.
I honestly don't even know how to use a finger brush.
So even if I knew how to use it, it's not as exciting as some of the other ones that I saw.
Ones that came in a box, they were really cool.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, honestly, a lot of these things you can get in a lot of different regular monthly subscription boxes will have these same things. Maybe not the Oribe, but sometimes you'll get an Oribe and something.
Not maybe full size.
And you get way better of a discount than we got. Maybe what, 60% markup over what we paid, and usually like the FabFitFun new beauty box, which I'm going to do a review of the new one here in a minute, or like BEAUTYLISH, you spend $25 to $30 and get $100 plus. So you get 75, 80, 90% value for what you paid. So I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. You've probably seen some of the other BEAUTYLISH videos, and this one is very similar. What do you think? Is it still worth it? Should we keep it on our radar for next year? I don't think we will. I really don't.
No.
But I would love your opinions on it and let me know. I guess that's it.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. If you did like the video, hit like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to tell your friends and family about our channel. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.